Updating an RV is a popular thing nowadays. It seems that everyone turns an RV into a small house on wheels. And in the end, this makes RVing far more attractive to people who like the comforts of home when they travel. So, if you are currently renting your RV or considering doing so, you might want to give the RV a little facelift and do an RV renovation fast, especially if you have trouble finding tenants. There seems to be no shortage to overhaul the idea of camping. Some of our favorite renovations make this tiny house feel much bigger than it really is by utilizing this white wall and decoration, creating an air illusion and openness. It also evokes a feeling of calm and tranquility so deeply